We are with Laura Phippen, and we are at the Phippen Farm, P-H-A-R-M,
Yep.
in Carver. And we're cuddling with the cows.
Let me come feed us.
What else do you want us to know about the farm?
Come visit. You don't know what it's like till you're here.
Isn't she warm?
So they run about 103 to 105.
Oh, is that their
Yeah,
temp?
yeah.
Wow.
So on a hot summer day, she's even hotter. She's just getting the fly on it. It's bothering her.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
The boys are cute with the answers.
Yeah, they're adorable.
so. Wow.
You're a good girl.
Darla. How's it feel sitting on a cow?
What does she do when the fly lands on her?
She shakes.
She shakes.
Does she? Here we are at High Lawn Farm with Sarah Spencer.
We love farms, and we were very impressed with how well Highlawn Farm in Lee takes care of the cows with their robotic milking process and their creamy ice cream. Don't lick my face. So good. Yum.
Hold on, wait. Let me put it down.
That's purple cow. We are with Kathy Halamka, and she is the executive director, right?
Yes.
Of Unity Farm.
Sanctuary. And sanctuary is a very important word in there.
Tell us about that.
So, Unity Farm Sanctuary was founded officially in 2016, and we are a farmed animal sanctuary so that we accept surrenders of animals that need a forever home.
Okay. What's your background? How did you get involved with this?
Would you believe me if I told you that I have a master's degree in fine arts? In any one month, we have 100 to 300 people who volunteer here at some point. And the two components together make it so that the animals are very well cared for.
Oh, that's great. How many animals do you have?
We have 74 mammals and 170 birds. And you already know that 70 of those are roosters. I know.
my goodness.
There's a lot of cock-a-doodle-doo here.
Our next stop was Plainview Farm to meet the alpacas and llamas. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, you sweeties. Oh.
And give me your other hand. They don't have teeth in the top, so they can't bite you.
Okay. Oh, Hyacinth's coming to say that. Hyacinth's our one-eyed llama, so you have to make sure you're on her.
Where is she?
She's the one who just walked away.
Oh, that's.
Let me try to get her. Hyacinth, baby.
Yeah, she's our new girl.
All right, you want to feed some?
There's a granny.
Oh my gosh, that was gone in no time. They're like, okay, you don't have any more, I'm going away.
Tiffany, girl.
Here. Here. Oh, you sweet girls.